item. This is Blue Boy #1.
Hi. Hello?
I'm glad I almost got everything in the game now. Feels more reachable now. Again. It's been a while since I've been this close to completing it. It's Plus Trap. He didn't count because it took forever. It was like Spring Trap. Which, now that I think about it, kind of just reminded me how long it did take me to get that stupid thing too. Okay, we defeated this one. Now let's move on to the next one. A blue. Oh yeah. These two things. Oh, just keep your kids. This is how much I have.
Hi. Hi. Hello?
Surprised I got Plus Trap. It's literally been for 2 months. Anyway. Okay. Yeah, about possibilities of next characters, because I've mostly been. I was most of the time speaking about what you do about getting Plus Trap. And I'm glad to get that out of the way. Oh, there's a controller on the floor. Okay.
Hi.
Probably just titled this video Fighting the Balloon Noise Thing. Something like that. I'm hoping this next character that come out won't be another situation. Okay, part. Remnant. Event tokens. Okay. Last one, then we can upload it. It's very interesting now that Ghost Trap has this ability. Imagine a Toy Freddy spring trap. What's its spring trap's been merged? Well, it also be a deadly combo. Toy Chica, Toy Bonnie. With that type of level of aggression, that would be next to impossible.
Hello?
Just be spring trap again. Because Toy Chica does in fact kill you quicker.
Hi.
Thanks to haywire a lot.
Hi.
There we go. No, we should get to uploading this. So we'll just call it a fight video. I'll upload it no matter what I get right now. Oh, we got it. Okay, good job.